In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the choose function. How do you use the choose function? So at the very top, I'm going to type in employee performance rating. And what I can do is, based on my rating, I can give a bonus to the employees. So here's an example of how we use something called the choose function. So I'll come up with 3 columns. The A column will be employee, the B column will be the rating, and the C column will be the bonus. So I'm going to type in the first person, who is Boston J. The next person is Carrier T. The next person is Perez A. And B. Williams is going to be the third individual. So how do I rate these people? Well, let's say Boston, I'm going to give him a 2. And I'm going to give T. Carrier a 3, Perez a 1, and Williams a 4. So what I can do is use a function called the choose function. And the format for the choose function, let me just write it on the screen here. Feel free to look at that. Basically, we say equals choose, and what cell are we choosing? So our choice is the cell that we're going to choose, and the values, I'll just write what choice is here. The choice, we need to start with a 1. So if it's choice 1, what do we do? If choice is equal to 1, what do we do? As well, if choice is equal to 2, what do we do? And etc. You get the idea. If choice is a 3, what do we do? And so forth. So, so we take our cell. Our choice is going to be the rating, which is the B column. So I put a comma, and then I decide what I want to do. So this is option 1, and then option 2, and then option 3, and then option 4, then option 5, etc. As many options as I want, and it's indefinite how many options you can put. So in this case here, it looks like the bonus I have is you can either get a 1, 2, 3, or 4. And so let's click in cell C5 in my example, in the J Boston, the employee J Boston, and I'm going to enter the formula for the choice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say equals choose. So I'm going to choose. The cell I'm going to choose is the cell next to it. So I select cell, in this case, B5, which is a 2. So I'm going to choose this cell. And if it's a 1, they get $1,000. If it's a 2, I'm going to give them $1,500 bonus. If it's a 3, I'm going to give them $2,000 bonus. And if it's a 4, a $2,500 bonus. And if it's a 5, let's say a $4,000 bonus. And you'll see the bonus is $1,500. Okay, so when I drag and fill, the cells with their bonus are done. And I made a mistake here. I should actually just I should format the cells as currency, and that would be more like what I would like to do. And in fact, I'm going to format the cells as currency. And I'm going to say I don't want any decimal places because I just want to see the dollar amount.